Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, we are going to talk about dictionaries data structure. Dictionaries are the unordered collection of data. In this video, we are going to talk about the basic syntax of dictionaries data structure, and then we will discuss that why we cannot apply indexing in dictionaries, and we will, as we discussed that we cannot apply indexing because we have the data in key and value pair. We can access the element by calling its key. Alright, then we will discuss that how can we add data into our dictionary. So let's get it started. First we have the basic syntax of dictionaries. So the basic sentence, suppose we have a dictionary called user. So we can use curly brackets here to make dictionary. Suppose first we have to write key. So the key is name, all right, and the data is here. So after each element we have to use comma, which separates the element from the other, and then we have age post 20. So as same as list, we can create any data type in dictionaries also. So I can directly call user. As I run this program, you can see here this dictionary has two elements, 1 and this is 2. So there is another method to create dictionaries. So I can use the same name, and then I have to use a keyword dict, and then under the keyword I can write the elements. Suppose name and age. Alright, as you can see, if I run this program, you can see the output is the same as before. So it is the direct method. Instead of writing all of it, we can directly just use the keyword and write the elements under the keyword, under the parentheses of the keyword. Alright, now let's why we cannot apply indexing. So if I apply, suppose I have this dictionary. So if I comment this and uncomment this code, so if I want to print my name at the output, so I can use, so if I use 0 indexing here, if I run this program, you will see it will generate an error. You can see it is key error. So why it is key error? So I have to use its key, which is name here. I cannot use directly indexing because the dictionaries are unordered. There is no order of data in the dictionaries. So I have to use name, which is the key, which is key of my name. So if I again run this program, you can see here my name is appearing at the output. Alright. Now the second we have, how can we access our data? So this is how can we access our data. We can directly use the key here. Suppose again I have age and again run this program, you can see here we can access each element of the dictionaries by calling their keys. Alright, now that how can we add data into our dictionary. Suppose user info, the information of the user, we have another dictionary, and this dictionary, the username, sorry, I have to use the string method here. Username, suppose anything, suppose David. Alright, and then in his age is 34, and then we have his favorite movies. So we can also collect the information of the user. Suppose whatever it is, ABC. All right. Now this is the information of the user. Now if I forgot something to add in this, so I can use so I can directly add data into our dictionary. As a user, I have to use the name, and then I have to write here its key. Suppose I forgot to uh, write the user's favorite tunes, so I have to write favorite tunes. All right. Now I can give the value, suppose ABC and XYZ. All right. And if I print user info and then I run this program, you will see here the favorite tunes is added into our dictionaries. So that is how we can add data into our dictionaries, uh, which is almost same as we did in previous data structures. So that's all about today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.